Every parent want their child to be a genius, isn't it? I still remember when I was young, during school days, my parents wanted my brother and me to study at the IITs, MITs, or take admission in one of the most premium colleges of India. But what if your kids or your child is not that gifted when it comes to academics? What will a parent do? Hi friends, this is Deep Basu and welcome to my channel Think Deep. I am back again and I'm going to review a very interesting film called Serious Man. I'm sure most of you have already watched it. This movie had premiered on October 3rd on Netflix. I remember watching the trailer I think 3 weeks ago and I was very intrigued. First thing first, Nawazuddin is a part of the film. He's a lead of the film and he's one of my favorite actors. And by the way, let me tell you, Nawazuddin is on a hat trick. His first project on Netflix, Sacred Games, was a super hit. His second project, Raat Akeli Hai, was a super hit. People liked it. And Serious Men, which is the third project on Netflix, has already garnered great reviews. So I feel Nawaz sir is on a hat trick. He's one of my favorite actors. No one can really beat him when it comes to such characters he portrays. He's so real. And the second good thing about Serious Man is Sudhir Mishra. It marks the comeback of Sudhir sir, director Sudhir Mishra. I have always loved his work. And if you have watched movies like Is Raat Ki Subah Nahi, Hazaron Khwahishi Ki Aisi, and many more, he's a great director. He's a very sensible director. And I really long to watch his next project, and I'm very happy that he's back. And he's recently directed a web series called Hostages. You should watch that too. It's very well made. So Nawaz and Sudhir sir are coming back together. Not back, they are working for the first time, so they are coming together. So I was very intrigued to watch this movie. And Serious Man, by the way, let me tell you, it's an adaptation of a 2011 novel written by Manu Joseph. It's called Serious Man. And I have not read the novel, so I will not be able to tell you if the movie has justified it. But I believe the people who have read the novel truly stand by the film and they have loved the film. Because as an audience watching the film, I really feel it is a very well crafted film. So coming to the story of Serious Man overall, if I were to discuss the story, it touches upon various relevant issues. The story revolves around a Dalit personal assistant named Ayan Mani, played brilliantly by Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who works as a personal assistant of a Brahmin scientist of a research center. The scientist is Nasir. Now, this Ayan Mani, he's a Dalit. He is scheduled class, and in life he's been deprived of many good things in life. His color, he's always been judged for his color, judged for his class. He has, because of his Dalit class, his scheduled class, he has not been able to achieve great things, acquire good opportunities. So Ayan Mani has a plan. He wants to give a better life to his son, just like any other parent. So he tells his wife that we are 2G. His father was 1G, he was 2G, and his son, he'll give all the good opportunities to his son so that he can live a 4G life, a life with lots of abundance of opportunities and abundance of success. So Ayan Mani, being a Dalit, being deprived of all good things in life, doesn't want to leave any stones unturned when it comes to his son. And he wants to give his son all the opportunities. So, and the catch is that his son is not brilliant. His son is not gifted. Remember, I was asking you, what if your son or your children are not gifted when it comes to academics? So, even Ayan Mani's son, his name is Adi Mani. He is not gifted. He is not good in studies. So, now what will Ayan Mani do? He devises a plan. He convinces the world, he convinces India that his son is born genius. Now, how he does that, you need to watch the film. So now you can see the movie, the story is pretty layered. So his son is not gifted. His son is not brilliant. But after a few sequences, you get to know his son is a genius. He has answers to all questions. He is questioning all his professors at the age of 10. He can... He's just like Shakuntala Devi. He's called the young Einstein. How? Ayan Mani has a plan. So you need to watch the movie to know what was the plan he had devised in order to make the world or convince the world that his 10-year-old son is a true genius. So this is a story of Serious Man. It's very interesting. It's very layered. It touches upon various situations like class divide, like color, like education system. And Sudhir sir has done a great job. All the characters are very well etched out. The performance is top notch. So coming to performances, Nawazuddin, you can't really beat him when it comes to character. When he has to, someone has to portray a middle class actor, middle class gentleman. Nawazuddin is the best. Because I know many actors go under a shell. They close themselves, lock themselves. They do a lot of research work, method acting. But Nawaz, he just picks up. Means these characters, he is the best. Means I think the casting was done very appropriately. Nawaz knocks it, Nawaz kills it. And this entire movie is on Nawaz's shoulder. The way he convinces you, every scene, he's so brilliant. And Adi, the young kid who has played Adi, also has done a great job. The actress who played Nawaz's wife, Indira Tiwari, I have not seen much of her work. She also is brilliant and so convincing as a Dalit wife. And Nasir and Sweta Basu Tripathi, all of them have done a great job. So there are a lot of characters. Hence, I would say the script is very script. Beginning to end, the script will hold you tight. Not a single moment you'll find boring or you'll find everything unwanted. I just had a problem with the climax. I thought the climax was a little dragged. But anyway, as I say, no movie is perfect. But overall, Serious Man is a very well made film, very well crafted film. The performances, everything is well touched upon. The script is very well written. I think the 4 writers were hired to write a script, Serious Man, to adapt it to a screenplay. And I love the way the editing was done. Everything is absolutely very appropriately placed in the film, right from the characters, right from the dialogues, the pacing and everything. Everything is very appropriately placed. It's a very interesting film. And the climax was something I really loved. So you need to watch the film to know Ayan Mani's actual plan. And if you guys have read the book already, I'm sure you guys must be knowing. But please watch the film. It's very well made and it's quite interesting. And I'm very happy. Finally, I'm getting to see some good films, some good Indian films on Netflix. Because previously I had such bad experience when it came to Indian content on Netflix. I'm sure most of you also had. So I take back my words. Please watch Serious Man. It's a good film. Please give it time. Do share your reviews and do let me know if I have missed out on something. And I'm not very sure is this based on a true story or not. I didn't quite find it when I was doing my research. How does it matter? It's a good story. So guys, I sign off. This is Deep Basu. Do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know if I have missed out anything. Do subscribe to my Instagram page, Deep Basu. I'm on Twitter, Deep Basu1. I'm on Facebook, Deep Basu. And my YouTube channel is Think Deep Basu. Please subscribe. I'll be back again with a new review. I'll be back again with the review of the Tamil film Silence, Madhavans. I'll just try and watch it. And I'll back with the review. So guys, please watch Serious Man if you love to watch Nawazuddin on screen. He's amazing. So guys, I sign off. Hello, goodbye. See you soon.